Hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I did something I didn't think I'd ever get to try, but it was on sale, so I gave it a buy. But anyways, it's a Kobe beef Juicy Lucy. I figured I'd go over the top since I had Kobe beef. So I did some 1/4 ounce patties, put my cheese in the middle. And I wish I'd had a grill, but I didn't. But cast iron works pretty dang good. So I threw it in cast iron, cooked it off till I got it done. Then I threw it on some bread with a slice of tomato, a good Vidalia onion, and enjoyed. It was pretty good. I can't lie. It would have been much better grilled, but it wasn't half bad coming out of cast iron. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll put everything down below so if you want to see what I put in it, so you can see. But anyways, I love y'all. I'll catch you on the next one.